Hey guys, it's Paul from Alexander Knife Sharpener Laser Engraving. So a little update today. We got some construction going on. So you can see the shop's looking a little bit more organized. We're getting there. But I decided we're gonna put in some storage and we're gonna insulate up top here. So we are putting in some pull down stairs here, aluminum ones, and we're gonna put a floor in all upstairs to have some storage over the shop, and we're gonna insulate it. The other big thing that is happening, and we've had it all specced out and everything, is we are going to be getting a mini split put in on this wall over here. It's going to be kind of right in the middle of that wall to provide heat and air conditioning for the shop. So that's exciting, and that's going to be going in real soon too. But we're doing the attic storage and insulation first for obvious reasons, and then within like the next 2 weeks, they should be doing the mini split. So just wanted to share that update with you. Today's project, my contractor, this should only be about 1 day. He said possibly 2, but he's expecting to be done, have it all done today. So we should have the new hole cut, the pull down stairs put in, insulated floor, painted, everything. And this is a contractor I've worked with before. His name's John Ho. He's great. He's from Alexandria, Virginia. I met John way back in my other house during COVID. I had a whole bunch of work done by John, and he's just, he's a great contractor. He works a little different than a lot of other contractors out there. One thing I've always loved about John is he takes on one job at a time and he completes it. He doesn't have like 10 jobs going, and he is a house flipper too. So he'll buy a house and he'll do the whole house and then sell it. But I got lucky because he actually happened to be available. He's in the process right now of buying a house that he's gonna flip. And when he's flipping a house, you can't really get him for stuff. But if you get lucky and you have him in between or when his crew's not working, he likes to keep his guys working. I just got really lucky. I called him up the other day, showed him what I wanted to do, and he was like, hey, I can start tomorrow. So we are starting immediately today with the insulation and pull downstairs. So that's going to happen today, and I'll show you guys later how it turns out, and we'll see how that all goes. But I'm expecting that should be great, and that will be a nice little addition here at our house. Even though we got a lot of space, there's not a lot of like storage for things like, Christmas decorations and things you just want to store away. And I still have a little too much stuff here in my shop, and some things that I have from before that I just still need to get rid of that are just kind of lingering around. Like over here, I got this portable air conditioner, which I won't need anymore. So I'll probably sell that or, give that away, get rid of it somehow. But just little things like that. So that's what's going on today. It's a beautiful day. We'll see what kind of customers I get today. It was actually a very slow Friday for me. And I think most sharpeners that have been doing this for a while probably run into the same thing. I always have a little bit of a slowdown when the kids first go back to school, and it's always slow for some reason just before Halloween. I don't know if it's because of all the Halloween parties and different things going on. Parents are just tied up with kids. But right after Halloween ends, I get crushed with knives because of Thanksgiving and Christmas and everything that's approaching. So I'm preparing for that because that's going to be the next big push. And that's why I'm really happy that we're going to be able to get the new heating and air conditioning unit in now, the insulation done and the storage, because I don't want it going on when the Thanksgiving knife sharpening rush happens, which usually for me happens right after Halloween ends. It just starts, and it's pretty steady and pretty busy from that point on. One other thing I did do, I'm gonna fix it and touch it up. I'm not sure if I showed this the other day. I'm taking these old fluorescent lights out. I just replaced it with a regular light socket, but a garage lamp that I put up here because these things give a ton of light. As you can see, it lights up practically the whole shop. And then I have other LED fluorescents over the tools where I work, but I'm just taking those down. I don't need them. I don't like the light they put off. They're, you know, kind of old technology. So that's a real easy swap out. I just take that right out, and I'm going to do the same thing on that side. Just another garage light, and probably add 1 or 2 LEDs over to that side too. So that's it for today. I'll the other thing I'm going to be doing, I was hoping to do it today, but I didn't know John was going to be available. I'm going to be doing a home brew for EvapoRust and testing it and see how it works. So I'll show you guys that. I'm going to film that. And I have all the stuff needed to make this homebrew EvapoRust. And I actually have a bunch of rusty garden tools that came in that we can try it out on. All right, I'll keep you posted on the progress today. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.